All I want to say is that if you're having doubts or concerns about the procedure, go with your gut and definitely look up Sure Hair. Like I said, they'll take care of you and they'll make you feel at home. So,
I'm 27 years old and had a FUE 2000 graft transplant in January of 2018. I'm going to show you his pre-op pictures. He had a Norwood 3 pattern. As you can see, he had bitemporal thinning or balding, which extended to almost mid-scalp. This is what Eric looked like immediately post-op. You can see that with the 2000 grafts FUE, we were able to transplant to about 40% of the anterior scalp. This is what Eric looks like today, which is in December of 2018, 11 months later. You can see there's a very good result. The hairline is natural. Eric, if you put your hand down. You can see this imperceptible transition into the existing hair, which starts about here. So this is the existing hair, this is the transplanted hair. Looks as though nothing ever happened. There's no scarring, no visible scarring at least. And you can see there's a very good regrowth, uniform density, and no linear scarring as would be expected with the FUE procedure.
fantastic. The confidence that I had when I was younger, when I had hair, is back. And just going out and doing everyday things, simply just even doing grocery shopping, you don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to wear a hat, you don't have to wear a toque. I just know that it's done right, and I don't have to worry anymore. It's such a fantastic feeling.
Has this exceeded your expectations? Is
Yeah.
that what you want?
Yeah. In the beginning, I was a little nervous because when you see the transplanted hairs, and then you still see your hair going through that transition of, it's still balding, but you can still see the transplanted hairs. I was nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I was nervous. I was scared, but I just gave it the time that you told me to take, and sure enough, we're here today, and like it looks really good.
When did the hair begin to grow back?
When I really started going was about 5 or 6 months.
5 or 6
Really
months
started
post-procedure.
Yeah, really started.
Because today you're 11 months
Yeah.
post-procedure. So
Yeah, that's when I really started. I still use minoxidil. Instead of using it twice a day, I'll do it every other day, once a day. I just find it makes my hair really greasy. So instead of all that grease and always washing it, I just use it once a day or every other day.
what's your experience with the staff at the clinic?
Very inviting, warm, friendly. I felt like I was at home. Right? You're watching TV for the most part, right? While you're getting this procedure done. You don't know what's going on as you can't see it, but if you do feel any pain, they take care of it right away. Virtually pain-free. Very nice experience, and they truly do care about their patients here. And that's one thing I really was worried about, is that, it was just another, client, person getting this procedure done, that, let's just get it done and on to the next. But no, this is very serious to them as it was serious to me, and I very much appreciate that. All I want to say is that if you're having doubts or concerns about the procedure, go with your gut and definitely look up Sure Hair. Like I said, they'll take care of you and they'll make you feel at home. So trust me, trust the staff that you're in good hands, and you'll have a result hopefully, and I know that will look like that.